this video is a desk tour, and I'll be sharing some of my best organization tips and ideas. This is my bowling pin bottle, which helps me stay hydrated. This is my tab and my Bluetooth keyboard. This is my study lamp, which is touch censored. And this is my unicorn box. It has some of my commonly used essentials like binder clips, paper clips, sharpener, eraser, pen drive, etc. So in my drawer, I have some of my essential stationeries. Here I have my tapes, which I've organized with this container of washi tapes from Miniso. I have my pencils in this organizer that I bought from D-Mart. These are sticky notes and memos. So this is my favorite pocket memo. All the others are essentials like scissors, glues, paper, puncture, staplers, etc. So in here I have my DIY earphone holder. Let me show you how I made it. You'll need a card and pierce 2 holes into it like this. Take your earphones and put them into the hole like this. And start wrapping them like this. Finally, secure the end by pulling it through the other hole. This is my charger organizer. Let me show you how I made it. This is actually a bulb container. I cut out some squares from the box, separated the box into 2 with a cardboard piece, and labeled them. And then you can tie up the charger cables like this and keep them inside your organizer. So this is my color paper organizer. The base is actually a thermocol box. For the separators, I cut out papers like these. And then I cut little slots for the separators on the box, and I arranged the papers according to the colors. Over here I have other papers like foam OHP and sandpaper. Here I have colored A4 sheets. This is where I keep my large color sheets. This is actually a cornflake cereal bag, and I have my large color sheets inside it. Like this one. And over here I have my A4 sheets and cardstock papers. This is my side desk. Here I have my terrarium. It has succulents and other indoor plants. This is my Pringles can pen stand. This is my Bluetooth speaker, which I use for relaxation. And this is my DIY book/note holder. I have a note in which I write quotes a journal, a bullet journal, a note in which I write ideas, and I actually customized it. This is my daily planner. Finally, this is my mechanical calculator. Behind this, I have my binder. Let me show you what's inside it. I have some planners, some printed quotes, printed stickers, and some school projects and papers. Inside my side desk, I have my school supplies and art supplies like paint, sketches, ribbons, etc. This is my chart paper organizer. Let me show you how I did it. I took 2 cardboards and I cut out slots like this and inserted them like this. Then I placed them inside a cardboard box. Finally, I rolled my charts and placed them. That's it. This video was actually requested. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section below.